0, this is 1 for a radio check.
Getting a clear look at that on the right.
Oh, hello. That was a good cheeky wee McDonald's.
Yeah,
Filled a hole anyway.
absolutely.
Look at that view, eh? Isn't that stunning?
Back in it.
Aye.
It just looks different going back of it, yeah.
It certainly does. Oh boys. Look at the way the light's just hitting the mountains, eh?
I know.
It's nice. Where's your hooses?
Oh, I'd love to buy one of them.
I'd buy the one with the balcony, eh?
Aye. But in the winter, you'd be sitting in that fucking balcony help you. See, now it's getting milder and milder, isn't it?
Well, last winter was not too bad. Aye. I want to fix my earplug, eh? Well, my left ear's got put the plug in too deep. Too deep. Probably even get back in the same spot.
Break.
Wee pit stop at Glen Coe. What do you think, Alec?
What's that?
A little pit stop. Cracking, eh?
Absolutely beautiful.
As absolutely stunning. Ivy's one that's fucking greeting, eh? Go. Volcanic rock. That's all. Yeah, but there's always one that's fucking greeting its face off, eh? Strom. And there's a, I think that's a Thunderbird. Is it? It's not Bonneville. Thunderbird maybe? Aye. Try Thunderbird. That's cracking, eh? Nice. Right, time for a drink. Because I'm thirsty.
Ready?
Aye. 32 degrees, the bike's saying. Oh,
I've got 26. Ready?
right. Oh, bit of air,
Yeah.
fresh air, cool air.
This is a fucking eyesore now, isn't it?
The beast's house. These garages. Aye, good call to come back this way.
It just looked different, eh? Seen it one way coming that way, but you're not seeing it the opposite way.
Exactly. You're not seeing this in your mirror, eh?
Aye. I never get bored coming this.
No.
Well, that definitely makes me get the right weather, eh?
Oh aye. See, if it was like this all year round, I wouldn't own a car. Well, I'd still have a car, but I wouldn't use it, eh? I'd let my wife use it. Well, she uses my car more than her car anyway. Windy, windy. Hello. Look at that view to your right, Alec.
I can't. That's it, it's there, eh?
I know, eh? It's amazing, eh?
I don't think I've ever seen that riverbed so low.
Yeah, well, we haven't had a lot of rain this month, really, have we? Apart from that,
No.
apart from the other week there, eh? But that's what you call summer.
This is the longest day as well, so
Yeah. The longest day. Got a 250-mile ride in.
it's a flag in the middle.
Don't know, try to see it.
The hotel.
That's the hotel's flag.
I think that Scottish flag, British flag, hotel flag.
Correct. That's the only flags you need. How's my MPG on this trip so far? 74.8 miles to the gallon.
Right, when we stop at Tyndrum, I'm going to check mine, right?
You should be high 60s.
Should be very good, man. Ears are fucking awesome.
What's that? What's awesome?
Lights.
Oh, my lights. Aye, they're good, eh?
Yeah. Middle of fucking nowhere, really.
Brilliant, eh?
There's some peat here.
Aye. Aye, Pete's a good lad, eh?
Especially with the buttons.
Aye. I mean, there's no doubt about it though, eh? We do have one of the loveliest sceneries in the country.
Oh,
eh?
absolutely. Absolutely.
Get the shadows for the clouds on the hill again, eh?
No.
Just creeping along the hillside. Oh,
62 mpg.
62, that's good. What's this been getting? 75.2.
The hell?
Not to be sniffed at. Oh. Oh, time for an ice cream, I think. Don't go to the green welly. That is the green welly there. Don't go in there because they'll pull your pants down. The green welly. Ah, because you've not got your fucking comms on, you da. But aye, don't go to the green welly because they'll pull your pants down and slap your bum cheeks. Come here instead. Brody's at Tyndrum. Far better service as well.